This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Shirley Wang. Be frist. Don't miss this lovely home located just minutes away from historical Yorktown Beach. The home offers open floor plan, 3 beds, 2.5 baths, second floor laundry room, fenced backyard and brick paver patio. Enjoy the community clubhouse, exercise room and pool. Close to local military bases, I-64, featuring Eustis, Naval Weapon Station, Colonial Williamsburg and so much more. Convenient and relaxing living by Yorktown Beach, you are just minutes away from the most popular restaurants and shops in town. Hurry! Schedule your showing today. This one won't last long. For more information, review the details below.